Emma is 18 months old yesterday. Can you do the chicken dance? Here, put the chicken down. Put it down. Put it on the floor and hit play. Push the chicken. Do the duck.
Do you want to do the chicken dance? Okay, ready?
Emma, do it.
But we're starting from
Emma. Where are you going? What? What is that? Can you say bye-bye?
Bye.
Bye. Can you say love you? Can you blow mommy a kiss? Can you do it again?
Bye.
I found you!
Bye.
Bye. See you later. Emma, where's Daddy? Where's Daddy?
Still.
Where's that? What are you doing?
Time.
Where's that go? Downstairs? Can you say downstairs?
Dash.
What? Say it again.
Down.
What are you doing now? No, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.